Portable, powerful, packed with features. Introducing the Lightstorm 60D and 60X. The Aputure 60D and 60X are an evolution. Our first focusable light since the original Mini 20. Combining Aputure color science with a compact metal build, both the 60D and 60X feature a weatherproof build, industry standard yoke, modular power solutions, and a built-in variable beam angle. Whether you need intensity or flexibility, the LS60 series presents both. A powerful daylight balanced fixture, or an expanded bicolor lighting tool. In full 15-degree spot mode, the 60D is able to output 50,000 lux at 1 meter, while the 60X is able to emit 30,000 lux, giving you brightness when you need it most. And with the turn of a dial, the color temperature of the 60X can be adjusted between 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Making source matching easier than ever. With built-in aspherical optics, the 60D and 60X both present a variable beam angle of 15 to 45 degrees, giving you all the flexibility of a traditional compact Fresnel with the adaptability of LED technology. 9 built-in lighting effects and multiple powering methods. In addition to AC power, users can use not only professional D-tap batteries, but also the most common battery of all, Sony NPF. Our specially designed dual NPF battery plate brings intelligent power to both fixtures. 2 NPF batteries can be used for max output, or a single battery for half output. The rosette-style yoke uses the standard V-mount locking system to equip the light with any power solution you choose. Each power solution also connects to the LS60 lights using a weatherproof auto-locking connection. Like any Aputure fixture, both the 60D and 60X are integrated with Sidus mesh technology, meaning that every fixture not only communicates with your smartphone or tablet, but also all other Aputure fixtures, like the MC or 600D Pro. Control everything from intensity, CCT, and lighting effects from anywhere on set. With the push of a button, users now have access to an entire ecosystem of powerful lighting control, with each fixture strengthening and increasing the range of the network. But control doesn't stop with just Sidus Link. The 60D and 60X are also designed to be modified. Every light comes equipped with both 8-leaf barn doors and a Bowens mount adapter that converts the 60D and 60X into the most universal accessory mount, and makes both fixtures compatible with all Bowens soft light modifiers, like the Aputure Lantern and Light Dome Mini 2. We're also introducing 2 new accessories, the Spotlight Mini Zoom and LS60 Softbox. The Spotlight Mini Zoom is a precision-cut projection attachment designed for the LS60 lights. Featuring a 15 to 30 degree 2x optical zoom, the Spotlight Mini Zoom combines the power of multiple lenses into one, creating both a variable beam angle and unprecedented light shaping ability. The Spotlight Mini Zoom is the perfect tool to use in conjunction with bounces and reflective lighting technology. The Spotlight Mini Zoom also comes packed with an M-size iris and 15 M-size gobos, for a wide range of possibilities. For users who want to soften light, the LS60 Softbox is a compact square light bank that complements the size and strength of the 60D and 60X. It also features 2 fabric options for front diffusion, and using the same native mount as the LS60 barn doors, this softbox takes the compact punch of the 60D and transforms them into a 14-inch by 14-inch soft source, with a diffusion area that is larger than a standard 1x1 LED panel. From focusable hard light, to a shapeable projection light, to a soft source in no time at all. This is our new Swiss Army light. This is the Lightstorm 60D and 60X.